Welcome guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how you can perform the factory reset of your Edifier True Wireless Sound 330. So first of all, there is no such a feature on the case. We have to make it straight from the application. So first I can recommend you to put both earbuds to the case. And just like that. Keep it like that, do not close. Go for the settings on your application and select the factory reset. Click to confirm. And right now, just be patient and wait a little bit. As you can see, right now we are disconnected. The case is blinking on white. It means that it's in the pairing mode. So right now, when you go back for the standard settings, for sure I'm talking about the Bluetooth, and click on previously connected, on previously connection, as you can see we cannot be reconnected. We have to accept the pairing request to pair them for another time. So the previously connection was removed, and right now we can pair them one more time. That's the hard reset method for the Edifier True Wireless Sound 330. That's all for this video. If you find it helpful, just remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.